Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech TV. Today I'm going to show you how to change SoundCloud password on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your password for your SoundCloud account with your mobile device, then first tap open SoundCloud application and make sure that you are in the login screen of SoundCloud. If you're logged into your SoundCloud app, first log out of it by going to the menu button at the bottom right, tap on the profile icon at the top right, and tap sign out from the bottom. Once you're signed out of your SoundCloud account, tap on I already have an account button at the bottom, and now tap on Forgot Your Password link right beneath the password box in the sign-in area. Type in the email address that is associated with SoundCloud in the text box and tap Continue. You need to check your email since SoundCloud has sent you instructions on how to change your password. Tap on Check My Email and you'll be able to receive an inbox from SoundCloud accounts. Give it a tap to open up. Once you open up your inbox, tap on this little link that says Here, and this will take you to the next page where you can change your password. Type in a new password that you'd like to change to in the first text box and make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long. Once you do that, retype in your password on the next field again. Also, for your security, tap on this little box at the bottom that says Also Sign Me Out Everywhere and tap Save. If you'd like to save this password in your iCloud or your device, simply tap on Save Password. Accept the terms and services of SoundCloud by tapping I accept, and now tap the sign in button. While logging in next time to your account, remember that you recently changed your password, so type in your email address in the text box, tap on Continue, type in your password that you just changed to, and tap the Continue button. That way you'll be able to change your SoundCloud account's password quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.